Strange, frightening sounds echo through the hall. And the candlelights flicker, but the air is deadly still. That is the time when ghosts practicing their terror with numerous erratic.
Allow the ones behind us to join as well. All the way in, all the way across, please.
Welcome, foolish mortals, to the Haunted Mansion. I am your host, your ghost host. Our tour begins here in this gallery, here where you see paintings of some of our guests as they appeared in their corruptible, mortal state. Kindly step all the way in, please, and make room for everyone. There's no turning back now.
For the best view of every portrait, gather tightly into the dead center of the room, away from every wall.
Your cadaverous pallor betrays an aura of foreboding, almost as though you sense a disquieting metamorphosis. Is this haunted room actually stretching, or is it your imagination? And consider this dismaying observation. This chamber has no windows and no doors. Which offers you this chilling challenge to find a way out. Of course, there's always my way. Oh, I didn't mean to frighten you prematurely. The real chills come later. Now, as they say, look alive, and we'll continue our little tour. And let's all stay together. Please. pull down on the safety bar, please. I will lower it for you. And heed this warning. The spirits will materialize only if you remain quietly seated at all times. Oh yes, and no flash pictures, please. We spirits are frightfully sensitive to bright lights. Stocked with priceless first editions, only ghost stories, and marvel busts of the greatest ghost writers the literary world has ever known. They have all retired here to the haunted mansion. Actually, we have 999 happy ones. But there's room for 1,000. Any volunteers? If you should decide to join us, final arrangements may be made at the end of the tour. Every room has wall to wall, and hot and cold running still. Listen.
Toads in a pond. Let there be music from regions beyond. Wizards and witches, wherever you dwell, give us a hint by ringing a bell. Serpents and spiders, hail the rat, all in
The happy haunts have received your sympathetic vibrations and are beginning to materialize. They're assembling for you. Swinging wings. We'll be expecting There's a little note I forgot to mention. Beware of hiding ghosts. They have selected you to fill our quota, and they'll haunt you until you return.
Be sure to bring your death certificate if you decide to join us.
Now I will raise the safety bar, and a ghost will follow you home.
He feels it at the same time.
Maybe hit it to the teacup.